Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a new video and it's going to be the new YouTuber tag questions, I think. Yeah, so it's just to let you know a little bit about me and the reason why I'm on YouTube. So let's get straight into it. But wait, before we get into it, I'm gonna show you my outfit. So I'm gonna flip it over like this, put you somewhere, and yeah. So I have on these white shirts stolen from the husband. I think it's from Next or so. I love it. It's so soft and comfortable and big, but not big enough for me. But it's supposed to be a fitted shirt, so but I didn't want it fitted. But yeah. And then this jeans is from ASOS. I think it's Pull and Bear on ASOS. It's very comfortable. I love it. Wide leg. And I've got these slippers from Everything 5 pounds from ages ago. It's probably 5 years ago now. And yeah, because I'm at home, I'm just comfortable. Comfortable clothes. Yeah, and my earrings is, I think these are Primark. And my nails is LC. And on my lips is Everything 5 pounds. Believe you me. And yeah, that's it. That's me. So let's get right into the video. So the first question is, what's your name? My name is Vera. Nice to meet you all. And the second question is, I'm just gonna grab a chair and sit down. So I'm doing vlog style now. I'm not a vlogger, but let's see how this goes. So the second one is, so where are you from? So I'm from Nigeria, Edo State to be precise, and even precisely from Ekpoma. So I'm an Eastern girl. And the third question is, how many siblings do you have? So I've got 5 siblings. And is this your first channel? Yes, this is my first channel. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? If you love a bit of fashion, if you love a bit of affordable pieces, and in the future, I'm putting this out there, luxury pieces, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And then, why should anyone subscribe to my channel? My fashion content. My channel is about fashion content. If you love fashion, you should subscribe to my channel. And what inspired you to start making YouTube videos? Other fashion content creators made me start doing YouTube videos. I love watching them. So I just thought I'll do mine. Maybe someone will love watching me as well. And I get inspiration from them. And one of my favorite YouTubers, if I can remember 2 now, there are loads, is Odd by Monica. I think she's based in, I don't know where she's based, Canada or United States. And I love Tamara Kalinick. She's lovely. And where do you see yourself in 5 years' time as per YouTube? So I think I'd love to do collaborations with people that align with my style, because my style is comfortable, my style is chic, and my style is classic. And I also love to own a fashion brand as well someday. And then the next question is, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Oh, I mentioned 2. So some of my favorite I can remember now is Odd by Monica. Like I said before, she's added a bit of lifestyle now, which I love. I love Tamara Kalinick. And there's a few others I love. I'll list them down on the description box. And then, what does my username mean? It's just my name. Vera. Every fit Vera loves. Everything I wear that I love every day, every time. That's what it means. And what's the best thing about YouTube? Sorry, I'm looking this way. I'm looking at my laptop to read out the questions. So the best thing about YouTube is, I feel like YouTube opened doors for opportunities, because I have seen that happen for so many people. But I mean, I just love filming and showing where I get items from. So the fact that you can actually talk about these things It's quite inspiring, and the fact that I can film myself without anyone watching me because I'm quite shy, it's amazing. So yeah. Okay, the next question is, what's the worst thing about YouTube? I think the worst thing about YouTube is the people, is the comments, the comment section. I don't know. People commenting rude things. But I think that's the only thing about worst thing about being on YouTube. And I watch other videos. I never ever comment, like make any bad comments. Even if she's wearing a dress that I do not like in that moment. I never say, oh, I don't like the dress, it's ugly. I don't do that. But I love constructive criticism. You understand? So yeah, because you are entitled to your own opinion, and that's welcome. The only thing is, you just can't judge people from what they wear. It's their choice, it's their style, they made the decision, so you get what I mean. So you're not in that position to judge them for wearing a certain kind of dress or a certain kind of skirt. If you don't love it, just don't comment. Just move on. Yeah. So, what are your favorite type of videos to make? My favorite type of videos to make is fashion videos, just fashion videos, and maybe a little bit of lifestyle, because I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog. And lifestyle is about vlogging, putting the camera out. I've tried, it is hard. But yeah, maybe a little bit of lifestyle snippets. And then yeah, any advice to new YouTubers? So that's the next question. I mean, new YouTuber myself, but the most advice I've gotten from other people is, they say, get the camera, get the phone, and just start. If you want to showcase what you love doing, just start and film. Yeah, so that's it. Anyways, that's all now. That's all the questions. I found some random questions on the internet, so I hope you love it, and I'm gonna leave you on love you for now. I hope you have a blessed day, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.